Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix SteelSeries GG if it is not opening on your PC. First, try opening SteelSeries GG as an administrator. To do this, right-click the SteelSeries GG shortcut and select Run as Administrator. Sometimes this is enough to make it start properly. If running as administrator does not help, the problem may be caused by other apps interfering with SteelSeries. One common app that can cause this is Signal RGB. Signal RGB can close other programs when it is running, and SteelSeries GG can be affected. To fix this, open Signal RGB. Once it is open, go to Settings in the bottom left corner. Inside Settings, look for an option called Conflicts and click on it. Here you will see a list of programs that Signal RGB may close if they are running. Look for SteelSeries in this list. Enable all the SteelSeries options. Doing this will stop Signal RGB from closing SteelSeries GG while it is running. This step only applies if you have Signal RGB installed. If you do not have Signal RGB, or if SteelSeries GG is still not opening after checking conflicts, the next step is to reinstall SteelSeries GG. To do this, first uninstall the program from your computer. Then go to the official SteelSeries website and download the latest version. After downloading, install it fresh on your PC. Thanks for watching.